We are going to Alishan Park. We're going to do a little trail. And I think we're done. Okay, so we took a little stop here and look how amazing the view. Those are the tea fields. He's enjoying the trail more than us. He's a mountain dog. Bye bye. It's very foggy here. Another mountain dog. Hey, mountain dog. We're going up. The mountain cat is so cute. And this is the mountain dog. She's so pretty. This is our new friend. He's coming with us to Israel.
She doesn't want you to leave, huh?
I know.
And then there's no way to continue. You have to go back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to like
Go back
the
this
trail.
trail.
Yeah.
All right.
Good
Thank you
luck.
so much.
Thank you.
Have fun.
You too.
We met two guys, well, two kids, and they told us good luck. You have a long way up,
Yeah, a lot of stairs.
a lot of stairs. Oh my God, חמדה, תראי את העכביש. הוא מטייל על הכורים. The spider is so big. Anyways, we're going up. It's really beautiful here. A lot of spiders everywhere, and the sun is right above our heads. I need a hat. Hello. Hello. Oh, we took maybe 15 minutes rest. Now we're going up. What's going on? It's very, very foggy. You cannot see much of the mountains anymore. So because it's so foggy, this is the view we get here. Hey! Alright, so we're going down now. Instead of enjoying the quiet time in the nature, there is this guy over there with his drone, and it's just for the last 10 minutes all we hear is the brrrr. There is a bamboo forest here, but you cannot really enter.
Maybe Bambi forest.
So yeah, that was pretty fun hike, short one.
This one that we live in.
And it was beautiful. Now we're going down, starting at 2 p.m. in 40 minutes. Let's see when we're going to finish.
Later.
And now we got to this point. This is the way we came from, but we're going to take this road now back because we want to see something different. But I don't like that it's a road. I prefer the stairs. It's slippery. Where is Amanda? I lost Amanda. Where is she? Hamda, Hamda, all by myself, don't wanna be. way down here took us 40 minutes. The way up took us 2 hours. Alright, and we are back to where we got off from the bus a few hours ago. We need water and maybe something to eat. It smells like nothing. Little more over there, and they're huge, alright? They're really, really big. More over there. More over there. And then right up above my head, there are more. And it's all shaky. There are so many spiders here. What the fudge? No!